Welcome to Edo. Look at the cat. The cat has a name. He is he is named Mamesuke. Mamesuke. And now he's back in back to sleep. So they are lots of traditional buildings. This is a full-scale replica of the city of Edo. It was built back in about 36 years ago. And this is a life-size reproduction of a Tokyo streetscape from the closing years of the Edo period around 1840. It will change depending on the time and also season you visit this museum. So this district is Fukagawa in Tokyo. Oh, now it's getting dark. Look at that. So this is Main Street. It's lined by lots of large buildings. So it's like shopping street. There are vegetable shops, and there's oil shops on the left. Oh, now rain has stopped. So the buildings and the items have been reproduced from historical documents to illustrate how the people lived back then. Everything is so detailed and really fun to see. So it's filled with shops, warehouses, and private houses, and even a canal. We're gonna see everything. So let's have a look at the vegetable shop first. So this is a life about 180 years ago. There's a tatami room. This is where they offer green tea to the guests. There's a kitchen. Eggs used to be very expensive. In today's currency, was like $5. Each egg used to cost $5. So it's like energy drink. And right next to it, there is a massive building. Let me turn around. So this one here is a big building on the main street. And then what you see is a water container. Sorry, everyone. The lights is changing. Shall we go down and see the canal? So, hello, everyone joining now. We are at Fukagawa Edo Museum. Look at that. There are birds just sitting on the top of the gate. And there is a canal here. Oh, Evie, thank you very much. Thank you. Look at the canal and sky. This is a waterfront zone along the canal. The museum makes you feel as if you are spending a day in Old Edo by changing the ambient sounds and lighting. And there is a wooden boat docked right here. So we can experience the various hours of the day and the various seasons of the year. So depending on when you visit the Fukagawa Edo Museum, you will see and hear different things. So it's so much fun to come back. When I came here in summer, it was, oh, look at that, the moon. So when I came here in the summertime, there was heavy rain and the rainbow. That's just a typical summer weather. Does this museum have smells? Unfortunately, there's no smell. No smell, but they need to. It's a good idea. 水の端かなんかで洗うわけですよね、普通はね。だからそういう綺麗な水ではあんまりやらないけれども。 Can't believe we are in the museum. So along the canal, there are two boathouses, and at that time, people could make a reservation at the boathouse. So this was like a water taxi back then. So for those, those who ride on this kind of boat was very well off, and it was going to the pleasure district quarter for people to have a meal before getting on the boat, or for the boatman to rest. So they could simply sit on the veranda and relax. Okay, shall we have a look inside? So the good thing about this museum is that you can go in and touch things. It's like somebody's house, and there is an altar for like a spirit of water, and they pray for safety in the river and ocean. Inside, it looks very intimate. There are tatami room, and again, you can offer green tea there. And on the other side, you can see, I don't know if you can see, a small dumplings on the plate on the veranda. We can go around and have a look. Old style raincoat made of straw. It's a raincoat. It's really well made. And also, so this is, so you come in, right? You come in here and then take off your shoes and look at this. Yeah, perfect footwear along the canal. And this is where you wash your feet. So before you go into the room, you could wash your feet. And inside the room, it's nice and clean. What's inside? Well, there are showers. So this is reclaimed land. So this is east side of Tokyo. Edo, and they used to be. They were able to get lots of shellfish and clams, lots of seafood, and a big fishing net. Sagamiya. Here's another boat house. You see, there are lots of sake bottles. And this is the stove. You can cook rice. And then here, you can put a sake bottle in it and heat it up. So having warm sake was very popular, especially in the wintertime. Portable shop. Richard asked, is this a house for the small wrestler? No, not for small wrestler, but yes, it was a boat house or shop. And then let's see what they are selling. Have you had inari before? Inari zushi. It's basically deep fried tofu, and it's filled with vinegared rice. So they are wrapped